I'd like to welcome you to CNFT's review of the T-note trade recommendation made this morning before 8 o'clock Eastern. This morning we came in with the idea of buying 9s to 13s and selling 16s to 20s. This was our sell area. This was our buy area. We thought the market's bias was to the downside first, so we like the sell coming in to test support basically at 8 to 12. Hence the buy recommendation of 9 to 13. The market does make it down to 9.5, as you can see. So the idea, the sell set up in Z period, completed itself in A period, then the market has gone back to sideways trading, awaiting Yellen's testimony at the New York Finance Club at 12:15 Eastern. So how do you put this trade on? It's all fine and good that you want to be long or short a certain area. What can you do to execute that trade, or what should you do to execute that trade? And we have very specific trade setups. We have 4 of them that we work regularly. The main one is the retest failure trade, which is where you retest support or resistance plus or minus a tick in the note. So right here is resistance from the night session, and here's our retest. We had a sell at 16 to 20, and we had a buy at 9 to 13. So this was our buy zone. This was our sell zone. So right here, the market makes it up to 16.5, and you could have gotten short on a resting limit order at 16 on the play for exchange members to get stops above 16. If you wanted some confirmation that the value area high was going to hold, that 16 was going to be resistance, then you were short at 14.5, and the market does trade down to 9.5. So the preferred trade, the recommended trade that we liked, short side first, did yield the expected 2 to 3 30 seconds. Works like clockwork. Then the market goes on hold, awaiting Janet Yellen's testimony. This is a retest failure to the long side, trade that we like. It's our bread and butter trade. So you're long at 11 to as high as 12 on a buy stop, and the market has slowly traded higher, eventually reaching 15. But if you got in at 11, the high was 14, you made 2 30 seconds. You could have made 3 30 seconds if you had a lot of patience. So the first trade, the preferred trade, was a winner for 2 to 4 30 seconds. The second trade, a buy out of our 9 to 13 area, was a winner for 1 to as high as 3 30 seconds, depending on how long you stayed with the trade and your entry. So not bad trading. You made your business plan. It was as expected. If you have any questions about the methodology or the software, please contact CNFT. We'll assign you a salesperson to go over the details and get all your questions answered. Looking forward to seeing some of you in the trading room.